This is my slidecast for Intercultural Guide. Hello, my name is Alex Nieto, and over these years there has been a great deal of hard work and research in the area of music production and music sound, sweeping country after country with music festivals and concerts with new ways of amazing sound. So today I'm here on behalf of an amazing country that is here to share and enjoy our mission as we aim to be the supplier of the best known worldwide sound outside of Amsterdam, Netherlands. When you want to talk about big sound and amazing stages, with sound that is heard nowhere else, where do you go? If you look in the right place, you'll find that festivals and concerts are your best bet. With an almost unlimited amount of festivals and concerts you can go to anywhere and find a large-scale venue with more than 32 million people attending these festivals each year, there must be something that's drawing them in. And I believe this is the unobtainable sound that you receive at these festivals that hooks goers every time. With this great interest in audio and love for music, there spawned Amstersound. At Amstersound there lies a business that offers a vast array of speaker types as well as speaker arrangements for large-scale venues and music festivals. This company has a high standard of personal interactions with their customers as they go out and find new and best technology and find new clients. Being one of the key elements to the company, having an engineering background is vital as they aim to fix and analyze speakers. This knowledge of sound is something that is commonly shared with the people of Amsterdam, as the younger crowd is notoriously known for their obsessions to large music festivals and love for sound, which is great for the company and its popularity uprising. So looking in closer at the location that employees will be traveling to, we choose to start our location out of Amsterdam for quite a few reasons that are great for business and for future business. To start, Amsterdam has an incredibly large population of individuals who really enjoy electronic dance music, which just so happens to be the best focal points for speaker companies and industries that are of this scale. This will make the transition of entering Amsterdam much easier and seamless, especially for interacting employees that will be sent over. Next, Amsterdam is home to some of the world's most desired music festivals, including Amsterdam Dance Event, attracting a vast 350,000 people worldwide. All of these are great sources for business that is very near us. To go along with this, many of the neighboring countries to the Netherlands would happen to be home to some of the biggest in attendance and size music festivals in the world, bringing in large millions with an estimated 500 to 700 festivals a year ranging all over Europe. Scoping in on Amsterdam, we look closer at the functionality and movement that takes place in Amsterdam. One of the biggest things in Amsterdam is their environmentally safe choices. Given this, we will use bikes and electric mobiles to move around local parts of the city, including small boats for ease of transportation if needed, and setting up events and helping individuals and customers. For a large majority of Amsterdam, the common language spoken is Dutch, but there's a very high percentage that can speak English very well, with Amsterdam, Netherlands, having some of the higher education out there and having a good education amongst all its people. In terms of how we handle business etiquette, the Dutch are very serious about being on time and doing things in a timely manner. With business dress being culturally relaxed, the only other factor that we must account for is that most to all business is done in meetings of face-to-face interaction. Over these last few minutes, we have briefly gone over the factors that have ignited the flame for our drive to venture into a new country with a company that will continue to advance. Along with this, we have looked at the best equipment so that we can get our hands on the best sound that we can offer, while meshing with our audio engineers to make the perfect sound. Next, we dove into what the business does and how well it will be able to be helped in Amsterdam. And lastly, we looked at the business culture of Amsterdam to better mold to their society and ways of business. I hope you enjoyed this slidecast. Thanks for listening.